What is Merchant Words? Well, I am so glad you asked. Merchant Words is the largest database of Amazon shopper searches out there. And you can use these keywords, these Amazon shopper search terms, you can use these inside of your Amazon listings for SEO and inside of your sponsored ad campaigns to drive more traffic to your listings. And you can also use it for product research. So I'm going to today show you how to get a free Merchant Words account and show you how powerful our free Merchant Words account really is. So let's go ahead first, show you how to create one. All you have to do is go to merchantwords.com first, right? Come over here to either the Market Insights tab or the Digital Shelf tab, and then enter an ASIN, then click Add, then go to No, show me how to get a free report, then click Get Started. And then all you have to do is enter your email, click these boxes right here, tell us that you are not a robot, and make sure that the ASIN is inside here. And then click on Get My Free Report. You will get your report sent to your email, create a password, and then you have a brand new Merchant Words account. So I'm going to go over some of the free, powerful things you can do with the free Merchant Words account. First is emerging trends. If you go to our emerging trends tool, which is the ET on the side navigation, you can see all of the top 20 keywords for every single category across any single marketplace. So this is super powerful. And you can see these are brand new searches or rediscover searches. And for more information, I'm just going to keep this high level, but for more information, go ahead and click on the tutorial buttons. There'll either be a question mark button or it'll just say tutorial, and it will tell you more about what the tool can do. The next free thing you can do is create 10 market insight reports. Right here, I have eight created out of 10. You can also create one free digital shelf report and also one free collection. And inside of this collection, you can bulk upload up to 1,000 keywords and get the data back from 1,000 keywords. That is super powerful. I'm inside one of the collections now. I just did a test collection, so there's only one keyword. And then you can bulk upload simply here, and you can refresh to see the updated search volume right here. Coming over here to our digital shelf report, this is to help you jumpstart your Amazon SEO research. You can compare your product with your competitors' products. Really cool stuff. If you want to know more about this, click on the tutorial button. Coming over here to the Market Insights tool, and if you want to see how to reach more buyers through the competition, you can go ahead, come here and select competitors that have a higher price than you, that have lower reviews, lower star rating, and then go ahead and advertise on top of these products to get more conversions, right? But to understand more about what this tool can do, click on the tutorial button. And that is everything for the free Merchant Words account. If you have any other questions, please reach out to us at the blue chat button below. Until next time, guys, stay awesome and be awesome.